Hello, all you wonderful SACAP students. My name is David Collins, as you might know, and I believe you're all working at the foundation. What I'd like to do with you next week, if you're welcome I'd love you to join, but for us to discuss the way psychology is going to address the historical trauma that lives within South Africa, and how we can take the spirit of Ubuntu from our African culture and take it out into the Western world. A lot of psychology is based on Western thinking. If you look at, I'm going to say, the architects of Western psychology and how that's permeated into the world, I really believe that here in Africa we have gifts that the world is in desperate need of. So I'd love to explore with you, co-create something with you where we can come up with something that we can take out into the world. I really believe this will be beneficial for you in your professions as you go out there, and I would like to humbly share some of my experience and the challenges of working in this controversial, stigmatized field of mental health that will assist you guys in bringing assets to the South African community and economy as a whole. So I'm really looking forward to spending a couple of hours with you next week. Thank you, Fatima Marida, for putting this together, and I really look forward to seeing you there, and thank you for everything that you are doing for us at the Foundation Clinic and the UACT Trust. Take care, lots of love, see you soon. Bye-bye.